Well, I mean, we've mentioned that NCDs are responsible for 80% of deaths amongst in Fiji. And then we've got heart disease, which is the major cause. 70 to 80% of our NCDs are from heart disease. And then we've got rheumatic heart disease in children. Rheumatic heart disease in children is second only to drowning as the most common cause of death. We estimate that something like 1 in 50 children have some form of rheumatic heart disease, which means that it amounts to about one, every classroom it should have at least one, if you average it out. And so for us, this type of awareness program and the day itself, the whole World Heart Day, is an important event for the Ministry of Health in terms of highlighting the problem of heart disease. But not only that, just to highlight the fact that most of our heart problems, or most of the problems associated with the heart, are preventable. So you can prevent yourself from getting heart disease, and likewise you can prevent yourself from getting complications associated with heart disease. So prevention from heart disease, of course, is with adopting healthy lifestyles, and preventing yourself from getting complications means that you get your heart checked every now and then, make sure that you undergo some form of screening, and while you are still fit and stable, we get a diagnosis which allows then for treatment to be provided so that you remain productive right until old age. We made something like 5,500 per person per year. It's a huge cost in terms of direct and indirect costs. So it's not only the cost associated with the disease and the treatment alone, but it also includes cost to the family, the lack of productivity, cost to the economy. So it does have a huge impact not only on in terms of disease burden and healthcare, but it has a big impact on our economic situation too. Yes, I think my biggest message to parents is that, to adults, is that it's never too late to have a healthy lifestyle. It's never too late. And no matter how unhealthy or healthy you are, just adopting a healthy lifestyle will have its advantages. It will secure you a longer life, but more importantly, it will make you productive in your life for a longer period of time. You have a longer productive life. For your children, it is really important that you watch out for any signs or symptoms of heart disease. One of the most important things that we preach is to ensure that if your children have any cough or sore throat, get it checked quickly, because it can prevent them from getting rheumatic heart disease. Furthermore, we also advocate that the children's heart needs to be checked every now and then. You should engage in having the heart regularly screened to see if there's any defects. And of course, if you find a defect while the child is still stable and running around, it gives you a lot of time to fix and to prevent those defects from getting worse.